Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vegetable soup at home. We will go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to serving a warm bowl. First, let's talk about what you will need. You will want fresh, vibrant vegetables, a good quality broth, and your favorite seasonings. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get cooking. Begin by washing and chopping all your vegetables into uniform pieces. This ensures even cooking. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your aromatic vegetables, such as onions, carrots, and celery, and sauté them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are slightly softened and fragrant. This step builds a foundational layer of flavor. With your aromatics sautéed, it is time to add the liquid and other vegetables. Pour in 6 to 8 cups of your chosen broth. If you are using harder vegetables like potatoes, add them now along with any diced tomatoes. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a steady simmer. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your vegetable soup is almost ready. During the last 5 minutes of cooking, stir in some fresh herbs like parsley or dill for a burst of freshness. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or other spices as needed to achieve your perfect flavor. Serve your warm, comforting homemade vegetable soup with some crusty bread. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.